Friends, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can put likes to notes in Instagram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching. Be sure to put your likes to this video. Let us get started with you. So friends, how you can give likes to notes. Now I'm going to show you from the very beginning. Now, when you go to the Instagram app, where you can actually find notes, you're gonna have to go to your conversations. And here, right up here at the top, these will be your friends' notes. And let's say if you liked someone's post, you'd like to give them a like. How can you do that? Well, for starters, you can click once on the post, and then you can like it by clicking on this heart. That way, as you can see, a like is formed above the note. And the second way you can do it, you just have to double-click on the note itself. It won't open, but as you can see, it will have a like above it. That's the quick and easy method you'll be able to give likes to notes on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put likes, write your comments, and bye-bye to everyone.